What good is a piece of gear if you don't utilise it? This is the Mont Blanc all-terrain pole, and we think it's a game changer. Introducing adjustability at the press of a button. The ATP offers 5cm increments over a 40cm range. Change lengths precisely and instantly without thought. Peace of mind knowing the pole is instantly secure and won't be accidentally released, with all the same features you're used to. The ATP enables you to transition instantly and effectively from one terrain to another, finally getting the most out of adjustable poles. Here's how we like to use them. We understand that it can be difficult to trust products that you see on Indiegogo. That's why we are offering a 2-year warranty and lifetime repair service. That's how much we believe in our products. We have suppliers lined up and ready to go into full production. Now what we need is your help. Thank you for the opportunity to bring our products to life.